Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the future of work and how you can prepare for a world of AI. AI is transforming the workplace faster than ever and it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. But don't worry, we got you covered with some essential tips to grow in this new environment. First up, let's talk about soft skills. Yes, the human stuff. Focus on developing creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking. These skills will help you adapt and come up with innovative solutions. Next, build a solid foundation in new technologies. Dive into AI, machine learning, and other emerging tech relevant to your field. Understanding these tools will not only make you competitive but also enable you to leverage AI to improve your work. And don't forget, embrace continuous learning. Be open to new ideas and ready to step out of your comfort zone. The future of work is all about being curious and learning. Even with powerful AI tools like ChatGPT, strong fundamental knowledge and critical thinking skills are crucial. Search engines and AI cannot replace a solid knowledge base. Without a strong foundation, it's tough to find the right information or evaluate its quality. We should focus on using AI to upskill workers who might be displaced by automation, ensuring that everyone can benefit from this technological revolution. So, there you have it. Preparing for AI-powered workplace means honing your soft skills, embracing new technologies, and committing to lifelong learning. And remember, education is key to navigating the AI future responsibly. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.